In this video, I'll do a review of a new copywriting assistant called WriteMeAI. It has over 32 writing templates to write your short-form and long-form contents. I will give you my opinion and ratings on its quality, ease of use, features, and pricing. It's selling its lifetime deal currently on AppSumo for $49. This will give you lifetime access to the software for you to generate 30,000 words per month. That is an affordable pricing point, as some other tools start from $79 for the same word count. And if you go to their website, the same plan is up for $10 per month. I'll leave a link to check this tool out in the description below, along with the lifetime deal on AppSumo for easy access. So, let's check what WriteMe.ai has to offer for us. It can help you in writing social media posts, blog post outlines, blog posts, and so on. When you log into the app, you have your dashboard with a default project. On the left bar, there is the dashboard, where all your projects will be saved. Under that, we have the plus icon for adding a new project. Then we have recent exports, help, and settings. So now let's start testing WriteMe.ai. First thing I noticed on WriteMe is that for you to write anything, it must be in a project. This means you'll have to click on the default folder and then click Write an Article. You'll be prompted to choose between short or long-form articles. Let me try short-form first. Then it's asking me for a title. And I have to choose a category, then click on Complete. I think that's a lot of clicking, to be honest, but let's try the templates. There are more than 30 use cases here, and then you can change your tone here, and then the language. There seems to be some issue with this drop-down. Hopefully, they can fix it soon. So I'm going to try freelancing gig description, and let's see what it can come up with. Latch Marketing provides an SEO gig to help you rank your e-commerce websites. Latch Marketing will help you to rank your e-commerce websites through our SEO gig. We will help you to improve your website's traffic and visibility in search engines. It repeats my input like many GPT-3 models, but the second one is a little longer, though can be better. Let me change it to a name and see what we'll get. Okay, quite better this time, but it still repeats my inputs. Let's try its long form and see what it can do. I will click on the plus icon to add a new project. Then I'll fill in the title, description, categories, and keywords. Then I have to click the plus icons and save changes. Now it takes us back to the dashboard, where we have the project, more like a folder I should say, because I then have to click on this Write an Article button, then select long form to start writing. I will enter my title here. Then, I still need to click on a category to start writing. Again, a lot of clicking and grouping. Then this time, it took us to the Composer menu. I can change the title here and increase the coherence. But unfortunately, I can't change the title here. So I have to go back to the projects in the dashboard and then edit it here. Anyways, let's go back to the editor. So I'll click on Generate Blog. And then it asks me to input keywords here. Let me input words like online jobs and work from home jobs. This is actually a walkthrough to creating a blog post. Now WriteMe has generated blog ideas for us, and the titles are pretty good. Find the best online jobs working from home, 7 online jobs that pay well and can be done from home. I should just go with this second one. And then I'll click on Next. Now it generates some outlines for us. The third one actually listed the works for us, but I would have wanted that to be on one of these subcategories. But I will just use this middle one and then click on Next. Now it has generated some intro paragraphs for us. This middle one isn't that okay, as it was listing everything for us and not like an intro, but I like this third one, so let me just go for it. Then it's trying to write the sections for us. So the way WriteMe does its own is that this is the body, and we have to do more editing after it has finished writing. Then let's click on Next to finish our article. And now it's coming up with a conclusion, and I like this first one. We have the title as H1, and that's good, but there are no subtopics. I have to do a lot of formatting here. So for this long form, this is a bit of a drawback for me. These paragraphs are for each of these sections above, but you have to take them one by one and find their appropriate paragraphs, which is pretty bad, I will say. And then I have to make everything into subheadings. The output is quite good, but there's a lot of work to be done. This tool is new, so maybe it's still a work in progress for the developers. And there's a sort of Write More feature here. Hitting the Tab key on your keyboard will suggest a continuation for the sentence you are writing. And you can also export your document as a PDF at the bottom of the canvas. In conclusion, I should say WriteMe.ai is not that bad, but still has a lot of work to be done in terms of formatting, simplicity, and the like. But the price point is still low to be considered. If I have to rate it compared to others I've used, I will probably give it a 5 or 6 out of 10. That's it from me. If you want to check this tool out, I've placed a link for the lifetime deal below. See you later.